Hello everybody, welcome to second video of the style component course. Today I am gonna talk about extending styles first. Extending styles means, for example, if you are styling a button here, style.button here, and you give some kind of default uh, style here, but if you want to add something, override something, delete something, let's say, based on that props, you don't need to say style.button anymore with the HTML one. You can use the styled one, for example, X that you can say here custom. Yeah, yeah, don't pay attention to naming, it's not that important. Button custom, you can do it like this, and you can extend this styling with the some of style here, and you can give the new name to tomato button. As you can see, these two buttons are using almost same style, but what they change here: border color tomato. As you can see, for example, border radius 3 pixels for both of them, or yeah, as you can see, border 2, it was 2 pixels solid, some other color, but now it's tomato. And what is the advantage of using this extending style is that, see, you are getting rid of the code duplication, and it's so similar to React context. I am saying this a lot of times. You don't repeat yourself. Oh, this is exactly similar that why we uh, creating custom or generic React components, because we don't want to duplicate the codes again and again. So it is same for styling. Now we are able to use style by extending, yeah, extending in a lot of places. So I think this is easy to understand at first, but please keep in that mind. For example, you are thinking, yeah, you are writing a lot of codes here, and let's say you don't want to uh, duplicate yourself, and yeah, you can create some generic component. You can give it name like give it a name, for example, generic component, and you can extend that component. That's You can create a base component with base styles, and you can use later and later. This is so cool. This is so cool. And we can see, yeah, and this is another feature of the style props that I like most, is that button as end tag. You can change, you can also override the HTML element itself. So normally we are extending button component, but here we can say as property and href attribute, because if you use a tag, it is also important for you to use href. And as you can see, it is normal button. When you click it, it doesn't change anything. But if you click link with something, you can go somewhere else that you want. So this is another cool feature of the style components. And this is another example, but I think it is not that useful. And this is another example. This is about, yeah, import. Uh, if you want to extend some style of the, yeah, component, it shouldn't be always custom. For example, this is link component. This is also maybe a React router DOM. Yeah, it is third-party component. So you can use also the component that you import from some other package. You can also extend this component by adding some custom styles. And this that was so cool feature, and I am using this feature a lot. So I thought it is good to mention about that. Thanks for watching. We are gonna continue with other features of the style component later. Take care. Bye bye.